investors. This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is going to be the closing bell. Basil Chapman here. This is the 4 o'clock final bell for the week. And we're looking at December the 12th. We're looking at the Dow closing down. Let me just get this right away. There we go. So the Dow just closed down 246 at 48,457. A little bit off the low. It is in leg C in Chapman methodology. This should still go to a D, and then we've got to be careful. You can see the previous D was a big pullback. I don't know if that'll happen, but it does say that we should go to higher highs next week in the Dow. The S&P is a little bit different in the sense that it did not take out the high that was made yesterday, so it's a peak C, but underneath the high that was made is 69.20 on the 29th of October. So until it gets to 69.20s, starts to trade in that level, it's just doing some consolidating. I wouldn't be surprised if it tests the 6,800 to 67.80 area next week. Meantime, back at the rest, the QQQ, this is the index 100, really pulled back sharply down 1173 at 613.86. Now it's quite a bit away from the all-time high of October, late October, 3637. So this is the one that's starting to lag. Now you've got the rotation going on. You've got the big cyclicals. You've got the Dow-type stocks doing very nicely. QQQ's weak. All of a sudden, the IWM, the Russell 2000, small caps, the 2000 is doing. It had a all-time high today. In leg B, it should still go to a C and a D up. So it's down almost 4 points at 253.86. But look, all the technicals are really good. So maybe it pulls back a little bit, but it should make higher highs. So the Dow and the IWM are kind of leading. Gold had a very sharp move to the upside. It pulled back a little, but it's still up 18 at 43.30. Very nice move towards the 4,400 level. Will it tag that next week, or will it suddenly have a little bit of a pullback if the general market pulls back? Sometimes money comes out of the very successful areas like gold and silver, and you see some kind of selling. So we're going to be watching this closely. Let's go to the bonds. This is, to me, the big picture. Wow, down a point at 114.23 seconds. That means yields are going high, but actually yields have been here before. So I'm looking at this saying it's a very selective move right now. There are still good stocks with strength like General Motors, etc., but there are others that are very weak. So just got to be a little cautious now. Have a wonderful weekend. Check out my opening call. And